Hi, I'm Aaron from 2H Media, and in this video, I want to talk about why big companies never seem to struggle with content. We've worked with a wide variety of companies, from family-run businesses to larger enterprises, and one thing we've noticed is that successful companies always have a ton of content to fuel their marketing. So why do these larger companies always seem to have their marketing content on lockdown? Admittedly, a lot of it comes down to scale and budget. These companies have the resources to hire photographers and videographers to capture the content to fuel their marketing efforts. They can afford to hire experienced professionals and invest in high-quality tools and technologies. That said, one thing that any business can control is their process, and having an effective process in place is the first step to capturing impactful content. This comes down to integrating content creation into your day-to-day activities. When you're preparing for a product launch, capture images and videos at every step of the process. Prototypes, samples, everything that you're looking at behind the scenes can turn into great content to build engagement with your audience and actually start spreading the word about your products prior to a launch. All of these things are going to allow your marketing team to do a much better job promoting your business, and it comes down to having a process in place for capturing that content during your day-to-day operations. If you need help developing that plan, I encourage you to book a strategy call with one of our experts. We'll take the time to get to know your business, develop a plan that makes sense for you, and answer your burning questions so that you can move forward with confidence. If that sounds impactful, then book a strategy call. And in the meantime, thanks for watching.